chicken and bacon roll-ups. So for the ingredients, we have here 4 pieces of boiled chicken tender. This one. We also have here 4 pieces of ready to serve fully cooked ham. This one. And we're going to use tortilla wraps or flour tortilla for us to wrap the ingredients. So we have tomatoes and cucumber, and this still should be cut into cubes or smaller pieces. And we also have here pepper and salt to taste. So that's it, and we're going to start our cooking session now. So one is our sliced or cut cucumber and tomatoes. So this time we're going to shred the chicken in the pan. This time guys, gagamit tayo ng malaking mixing bowl kasi pakaiksi yung mixing bowl a while ago. So this is it. Mix all the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients, including the cream cheese. And let's add some pepper and salt. So it's now well mixed, so we can wrap this one already. So you can add, depends on your taste, so you can add more pepper and salt if you want your chicken roll tortilla wrap to be a little bit salty. You want your tortilla wrap to be a bit spicy. You could also add red pepper. So I am making 2. The other one is spicy and the other one is mix. So I am making this 2 spicy and non-spicy. We'll just hit the wrapper or do the wrap in about 10 seconds. And start. This is now okay. So it's a little bit hot now. we can start wrapping now. First. That's our first tortilla wrap. Okay, so this is our second tortilla wrap. Okay, so for the next one. Kasi sayang din. This one is the spicy tortilla wrap. So this is it. We've made 5 tortilla wrap. So let's try to cut. Ta-da! This is the result. The tortilla wrap, it's now serving. Enjoy the snack with tea. Thank you for watching. And please do subscribe for more updates on my next video.